Gotta say, they are so easy to make, and we pay so much for some shrimp tacos at any restaurant. These ones are awesome, breaded, fried with coconut flakes, and yeah, they're gonna be so damn good. So stay tuned, because this shit is so damn easy. All right, so shrimp coconut tacos. That's what we're making today. They're gonna be so damn good, so delicious with that coconut batter that I'm working on right now with the panko breadcrumbs. You'll see it all in the video. You'll see it for sure. And yeah, gotta say, without further ado, people, let's make this shit. Stay tuned. All right, sorry for the shitty intro there with the video, but we've got a quarter cup of flour here, which I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, the same for some chili powder here, and then you can go ahead and add some cayenne pepper, and the cayenne pepper, about a tablespoon of that, and you can go less on the cinnamon, perfectly fine, and then a tablespoon of fresh ground black pepper, and the same for some kosher salt. So this is going to be our dry dredge that we're going to work in. We're going to give it a nice mix and make sure it all looks nice and, you know, kosher. That's what we want here, right? So give that a nice mix, and then we'll move on to our wet batter, which is 3 eggs. We're going to add some hot sauce to it. I'm using El Yucateco, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, because I like it spicy. You don't have to go spicy like I am here. And yeah, we'll continue riding forward here. So into another container, we're going to add about a quarter cup of panko breadcrumbs, and we're going to add in about I would say 1/3 of a cup of our coconut flakes, and then we'll start the dredging. All right, so for the dredging, we'll start with the flour mixture, go right into our mixed up eggs with our whisked up eggs with our hot sauce, and then we're going to go ahead and go into the coconut and panko dry mixture here. Make sure it's all nice and coated, and then we're going to move on to our slaw. For the slaw, I'm going to go ahead and add in a quarter cup of some Kewpie mayo to some coleslaw. Yes, I grabbed this from the grocery store. You can too. And then we're going to add in 1 whole lime before we mix all of this up. I say a lime because it goes with the taste of this recipe, more so than a lemon. So give it a nice mix and set it aside in the fridge, because now we're going to go into the frying process. So for the frying process, we're just going to fry up the shrimp, and we want to make sure that they're nice and golden brown in that medium high heat of oil here. So check your oven and everything. I'll have everything down below for you awesome people, just so you can follow along with the temperatures. Yeah, but there you go. That's what we're looking for. Nice and golden brown. So onto some tortillas, which I heated up. I'm going to go ahead and add in our shrimp, and then after I add in the shrimp, I will say this, I'm going to add in some pickled red onions. Check out many of my videos. I have pickled red onions on my videos. Then I'm going to add in some chopped up jalapeno, and yes, we're going to add some cotija cheese soon, but not just yet. Some salsa verde, which I've covered many times on my channel, and the cotija cheese. And then there you go, people. We're ready to eat. All right, so the shrimp tacos with the coconut breading. Gonna go ahead and have to try this out. Gotta say, this one looks awesome. So here we go. Get some salsa verde there. There we are. And yes, I already had a taste. So get a bite. Solid. I mean, I would charge double for this. This is on point. The cotija cheese, the pickled red onions, the salsa verde, and let's not forget the shrimp that has been breaded in coconut. Wow. Gotta say, this one is a killer. And you gotta put it in your bag. So, without further ado, people, I'm gonna eat this and yeah. Cheers. I'm out.